Ailey, you've got a breather in room 5.
Okay.
Go assess them and let me know if they're a pink puffer or a blue bloater.
Huh?
COPDers, blue bloaters, chronic bronchitis, cyanotic peripheral edema, think Violet Beauregard from Willy Wonka. And pink puffers, emphysema, pink skin, barrel chest, pursed lips, stink, pink panther wearing a barrel.
Oh my god.
Why can't I have a normal preceptor?
Breathe
We've
in.
been at this for 10
Breathe
minutes.
out.
I'm getting lightheaded.
I know. Okay, what'd you hear?
I don't know what I'm hearing. I think I still have playa dust in my ears.
First of all, put your stethoscope in
I've been
right.
wearing it wrong.
They face towards the face.
Oh. Oh my god, I'm so silly.
I did it for years. Let's start with the musical sounds.
Oh, the Adventist sounds.
Adventitious.
This is wheezing.
You hear this with Weezer Geezers and Dusty
I
Nuts.
prefer the title orgasmatic.
Now here's Strider.
It sounds like my Pomeranian squeaky toy.
Okay, valid.
I'm so smart.
You'll hear that more in the throat than the chest. Upper airway obstruction. Larry in Malaysia and grapes in the gag hole. Now non-musical. Crackles. Liquid lung.
Sounds like when I crumpled up my ex-boyfriend's love letter.
You'll hear these in the guys with ground glass profile pics and the drowners on dry land.
How do you tell if it's coarse or fine?
I don't fucking know.
What are you doing?
Calling RT. Coarse is like sucking liquid through a straw. Fine is running hair through your fingers. 15 years and no one's ever explained that to me?
It's our little secret.
New grads, make friends with your RTs. They can be hard to find sometimes, but when you find them, ask them a million questions. They love that. Okay, bronchi.
Sounds like my stomach right now.
That one usually disappears after the lung butter progresses to throat oyster and then is expectorated as hanky ham.
Why are you like this?
Like what?